So I had a pretty good weekend. Let me tell you about the drive to my in-laws. It didn't go exactly as planned, but that turned out to be fine. It was a 3-day weekend. So my wife and I decided to drive out to visit her family. About 100 kilometers. Not far, but long enough to feel like a proper road trip. The weather was perfect. Clear blue sky, warm sunshine, and the expressway was almost empty. We were in a really good mood. Music on, windows down a little, just enjoying the drive. About an hour in, I saw a sign for what I thought was our exit. I moved into the left lane and took it. It was the wrong exit. Suddenly, we were on a narrow road I didn't recognize at all. My wife looked at me. She said, "Why did you exit?" She wanted to eat at the service area. I just shrugged and kept driving. We drove slowly along the road. It was actually quite beautiful. Rice fields stretching out on both sides, mountains in the distance. Then I noticed a small handwritten sign by the side of the road. It said, Soba, homemade, open today. My wife looked at me and smiled. Should we? She said. I was already pulling over. The restaurant was tiny, just 4 or 5 tables in a low, quiet room. An older woman greeted us and handed us a simple menu. We ordered 2 bowls of soba. A few minutes later, they arrived, fresh noodles in a clear, delicate broth with green onion and a small side dish. It was one of the best things I've eaten in a while. Simple, fresh, and completely unhurried. We sat there for a while after finishing, just talking. No expressway noise, no rush. Eventually, we got back on the road and found the expressway easily. We arrived at her family's house about 30 minutes late. They didn't mind at all. When I told them what happened, my brother-in-law laughed. That sounds like a blessing in disguise, he said. I think that's exactly what it was. A wrong turn that led somewhere I never would have found otherwise. We're already talking about going back, next time on purpose. So yeah, sometimes the wrong exit is the right one. That's my weekend. Not bad at all.